Once you've invested in your brand new home tech and your installation day has taken place, the BOXT journey doesn't stop there. The BOXT app is there to support and help you look after your new product throughout its lifetime. Here you can find all of your documents, such as invoices, warranty certificates, and user manuals saved in one handy place. No need to spend ages searching through drawers and emails for an important document when you need it. Plus, expert support is at your fingertips, as you can chat directly with our team of engineers through the app, helping you to quickly and easily get answers. You'll also have access to our Help Centre, which has loads of useful articles and videos to help you resolve any common problems and make the most of your new product. We know how easy it is to forget about booking a service for your appliances, even though they're super important. That's why with the BOXT app, you'll get a handy notification when the service is due, so you can be confident that everything is working as well and efficiently as it should be. You can be one of the first to find out about brand new BOXT products. Plus, you can refer friends through the app, saving them money on their purchases, and you'll earn rewards too. Just think of the app as your all-in-one BOXT companion. We're there whenever you need us. Simply search for BOXT in the App Store or Google Play Store to download it and get started.